I remember the night clearly. The room smelled of bread and wine. We were gathered for the Passover meal with our teacher, Jesus Christ. Then he said something that shook me. "Before the rooster crows, you will deny me 3 times. I couldn't believe it. "Lord, even if everyone else abandons you, I never will." I meant every word. I had followed him across deserts, watched him heal the sick, seen him calm storms with a whisper. I thought my faith was stronger than fear. Then the soldiers came, steel armor, torches in the darkness. Suddenly, everything changed. My courage burned for a moment, but courage fades quickly when fear takes its place. I followed from a distance, close enough to see him, far enough to pretend I wasn't with him. "You were with him, weren't you?" My heart pounded. "I don't know what you're talking about." The first lie left my mouth before I even realized it. "This man is one of his followers." Fear grows louder when you listen to it. "I swear, I don't know the man." I felt my conviction cracking under pressure. "Your accent gives you away. You're one of them." And then, the moment I will never forget. "I don't know him." His words came rushing back. "Before the rooster crows." I had failed him. Fear made me compromise everything I believed. I thought my failure had ended my story, but failure is not the end when grace writes the final chapter. He found me again, and instead of rejection, he restored me. 3 times I denied him. 3 times he asked me, "Peter, do you love me?" And from that day forward, I spent my life telling the world about Jesus Christ. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for biblical content that connects to today's modern world. And we'll see you next time.